How to transfer APK files from my phone to a Hisense Smart TV. The first step is to check your TV type. So go into settings, head into the about, as most Hisense TV run VIDA OS, which does not support APK installation. Now, if you have VIDA OS, you have to skip and use workaround methods. But if you do make use of Android TV, you could continue with this tutorial. All right, so the first method of, sending your files is sending the files to the TV. So you could actually send the files to the TV depending on the software it runs. Some TVs would give you access to their storage and you could just simply transfer files from your phone over to your TV. Now, just simply install send files to TV on your phone and also install that option on your TV. Connect to the same Wi-Fi, open the app on both devices, tap send on your phone, select the application, and then tap receive on your TV, and it works that way instantly. Now, the next option is a USB drive. So you could copy applications from your phone to a USB and then using an OTG, that's from your phone to a USB via OTG, and then use the file manager inside of your TV to install the application. Now, another option you could also try would be to simply use your cloud. So upload the APK to your Google Drive, open the drive on your TV or browser, download the APK and simply install it. It's that easy. And now the last one is enabling unknown sources. So go into your settings, the security, and enable unknown sources. This allows the file manager to actually install all these applications you've gotten from your device. For VIDA OS users, if your Hisense TV uses VIDA, you cannot actually install APK files, so you just make use of a Fire Stick or an Android TV box. All right.